Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malika, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got these puffing curls at the ends of my faux locs. So I use these BOBBI Faux Locs. It comes in 3 layers, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches, and it also comes straight. So I decided to like spice it up a little bit by adding some curls. So yeah, if you want to know how I got these curls, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So this is just a portion of locks that are already twisted. If you look at the other side, you see that the locks are kind of boring. They come straight and kind of flat, you see. So yeah, I just decided to like give it some spice by twisting and curling it. So you want to start by unraveling a lock. It's actually very easy to unravel. Don't be scared, it won't like spoil the lock. And it will come out in 3 strands. So you just want to twist it. You're basically just wrapping one strand around the 2 others. So just wrap it till you can wrap no more. And make sure you try as much as possible to wrap it tightly, or rather twist it tightly and not loosely, so that the lock doesn't unravel. I'm so sorry my fingers are too close to the screen. That was actually the only way I could make you clearly see what I was doing. So I'm just gonna do this last one with you guys, or this second one with you guys, before speeding off. So just twist it tightly, making sure that it's tightly twisted. You see, it's just a twist. Oops, I'm so sorry. My fingers are too close. Please bear with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. Ooh, it looks pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed up the video right now. So
shit done changed ever since we was on. I dreamed it all ever since I was young. They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
okay, so you want to get some hot water and a towel. Make sure the water isn't too hot. As you can see, like I told you, the locks come in 3 layers. So I'm just gonna remove 1 layer from the pack. Oh my gosh, I hate this stuff. I hate it so much. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I know I should use the scissors. I know. But it's too far. Finally. So you just want to remove that layer. I'm just holding it by that stuff and putting it in the hot water. I'll just leave it in for like a minute or two. Oh my gosh, the curls are popping already. Did I say a minute or two? 30 seconds will be fine. So you just want to remove it and let the water drip a little bit before putting it on the towel. So you just put it on the towel and leave it to dry completely on the towel. I suggest you do this in the night before going to bed so that the locks can dry overnight. You want to leave this to dry as long as possible so that the curls can pop more. I tell you girl, they're gonna pop more when they're dry. And synthetic hair takes long to dry, so you want to do this in the night so that by next morning you can rock this. So yeah, I'm done. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate the fact that you took time to watch. Please, if you liked it or you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.